So you're a product manager with a million different things going on each day. Wonderful. Here's how you can use Sunsama to stay on top of your work. Imagine you roll into the office and open up Sunsama. You see the tasks that you've queued up to work on for the next few days and your calendar for today. You've got your smaller to-dos, like checking out some new mockups, and bigger tasks, like creating a new customer survey that you've pulled in from Trello. As you prioritize what you're going to work on today, you take a look at your tasks in Trello, or Asana, or Jira, or whichever project management tool you use. When you spot something you want to work on today, you drag it over. If you sense you've got too much on your plate, you bump back the task that you don't need to work on today. Taking a look at your calendar, which is synced with your Google Calendar, you see you've got a meeting coming up and pull up the notes. You fill in some topics that you want to go over. After the meeting, any action items automatically get converted into tasks so you don't lose track of them. As the day goes on, you work your way through your tasks and meetings for the day. When you complete a task that's integrated with another tool, it gets updated there as well. You select the teammates that you're working with, so you can keep an eye on what they're doing throughout the day without needing to interrupt them. At the end of the day, you review all the work that got done and head home feeling good about what you accomplished. When you roll back into the office tomorrow, the tasks you didn't get to yesterday have automatically rolled over. With Sunsama, you have a single place to organize all of your work for the day, so you can stay focused on doing great work and building a great product without feeling overwhelmed. Give it a try for yourself, and thanks for watching.